Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are looking at the best crypto indicators on TradingView, the ones that actually make a difference in how you trade cryptocurrencies. Now, these aren't your average tools. These are the ones serious crypto traders use to analyze market conditions with clarity and confidence. All right, let us just jump straight into it with indicator number one. Okay, so we're going to be starting with the market cipher B, right? So this tool is all about momentum and money flow. It gives a visual display of, you can see blue and yellow waves that show you when momentum is increasing or fading. It also includes RSI and volume components built in. So if you want a free version, you can just look for the free version here in the options. You can see that there is a free version here. So all right, so this indicator helps you spot when the bulls or bears are taking control, especially on the 4-hour or the 1-hour time frames. Meanwhile, you can also use on smaller time frames like 15 minutes and the rest if you were scalping. Okay, you just have to pay attention to the position of the the indicator area. If you have the blue area above the zero level, you have bullish momentum. Okay, if you have the indicator painting yellow below, if you have the indicator painting blue, below the zero level, it shows that there is prevailing bearish momentum. All right, so you have to pay attention to the green and the red dots as well. When you have the blue area below the zero level and have a green dot, it could be that it's a good time to buy. Okay, meanwhile, if you have the blue area painted above and you have a red dot, it could mean that it's a good time to sell. Okay, so next up, for indicator number two, we are going to be looking at the super trend with ATR all right. Now, the super trend is a classic indicator, but when compared, or rather when combined with the average true range, it filters out weak trend signals and helps you focus only on the moves that matter. So you can add the, this indicator that has the super trend and ATR functions. All right. This works great for trend following strategies. You can see that, the super trend indicator is there, alongside with, some ATR functions. When you have a buy signal, basically when price is above the green line, have a buy signal. Just ensure that you are trading in the direction of the trend. You can wait for price to pull back to the green line and you get a bullish confirmation candlestick pattern. You can jump into your buy trade, set stop loss below the previous swing low, take profit, can be at resistance zones. Then when you are in a sell trade, you watch out for price to be below the red line. Ensure you have bearish confirmation. You can jump into your trade after you get your confirmation, set your stop loss above the previous swing high. Your take profit can actually be around, support zones. All right, ensure that you are making use of good risk to reward ratio. Okay, now the next indicator that we are going to be looking at is the relative volume. All right, the relative volume. Now, crypto can be incredibly volatile. Knowing when volume is backing a move is critical. So the RVOL shows you when volume is significantly above average. This is your confirmation tool. So you can use it alongside breakouts or breakdowns to gauge whether the market is likely to follow through. So if RVOL is spiking, if you notice the spike and price breaks a key level, that's a green light. All right. So you should be watching out for spikes and breakouts. Spikes and breakouts. All right. You can see what happened here. You can see these small breakouts. You can see there was a spike here before this particular breakout took place. You can see there was a spike here around the time when this breakout took place. You can see spike, breakout, spike, breakout. And then when we had this overall breakout here, you can see there was another series of small spikes as well. So you should be paying attention to all those, knowing when momentum is backing a particular move. All right. Now let's talk about how to combine them. You can start by using super trend. Now, if you want to use all these indicators together, you can actually use them, but you can use them individually as well. For example, you can use the super trend to identify the overall direction. Then maybe you can also use the market cipher, B, to gauge momentum, right? And then while paying attention to the RVOL to confirm, volume spikes. If volume supports the move, it's a higher probability setup. So apply this strategy to time frames like the 15-minute or the 1 hour for active trades or the 4 hour for more structured swing setups. And don't forget to line up everything with support and resistance zones. That's where the best trades happen. So these are some of the best crypto indicators on TradingView because they work together. One shows trend, one shows momentum, one confirms with volume and all of that, right? Simple, powerful, and effective. So if this helped you build a better setup, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more crypto indicator breakdowns like this. Let me know in the comments which indicator you want covered next. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay sharp and trade smart.